Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the harvest stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the single crochet stitch, the double crochet stitch, and the puff stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. I have already made this little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. For the body of my test swatch, I have already made the harvest stitch. This is what it is going to look like. If you're starting from the very beginning making chains, you're going to want to make chains in the multiple of 7 plus 2. You're then going to work your first row, all single crochet. Then your next row would be how to do the harvest stitch, and I'm going to show you how to do that on the row that I'm currently working. So I have already made 3 chains on my hook. You would then work 1 double crochet into the first stitch. You would then skip over to the center of this little puff V right here, and you're going to work a puff stitch. You're then going to make 2 chains. You're going to work a puff stitch into that same space where you just worked your other puff stitch. You would then skip over to these 2 double crochet right here. You're going to work 1 double crochet into each of them. We've come to another puff V. You're going to work a puff into that center. Chain 2. Then work another puff into that same space. Again, you're going to work only into these 2 double crochet right here. You're going to work 1 double crochet into each. You can see how the pattern is starting to repeat now. We've come to an opening of the puff V again. Work a puff. Chain 2. Then work a puff in that same space. Right here next to this puff V, we have a double crochet and then we have a chain, and we're going to match that to the beginning of our row where we had a chain and then a double crochet. This chain is always going to count as a double crochet, so that's technically 2 double crochet right there. So we're going to work a double crochet into this one, and then into this chain we're going to work a double crochet. And that is going to be how to make the harvest stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.